friends, today's lesson is ozone layer, and we will learn about how to produce ozone and its depletion. As we discussed the ozone layer in the last topic, which was the layer of atmosphere. So, in this topic, we will focus on the ozone layer. The ozone layer is a deep layer in the stratosphere, encircling the Earth, that has large amounts of ozone in it. Ozone is basically an allotrope of oxygen, which has 3 atoms of oxygen. The ozone absorbs the portion of UV light called UVB and UVA band of ultraviolet radiation, with wavelengths from 280 to 320 nanometers, produced by the sun. UVB is a kind of ultraviolet light from the sun and sun lamps that has several harmful effects. UVB is particularly effective at damaging DNA. It is a cause of melanoma and other types of skin cancer. It is always important to protect oneself against UVB, even in the absence of ozone depletion, by wearing hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen. However, these precautions will become more important as ozone depletion worsens. Let's understand how to absorb UV light and produce ozone in this layer. Oxygen gas has 2 molecules of oxygen. It is present in the atmosphere. High-energy UV light collides with the oxygen molecule, causing it to split into 2 oxygen atoms. These atoms are unstable, and they prefer being bound to something else, and then the free oxygen atoms smash into other molecules of oxygen, forming ozone. Remember, 1 atom plus oxygen gas made ozone. The ozone is destroyed in the process that protects us from UV rays emitted by the sun. When ozone, O3, absorbs UV light, it will split the molecule into 1 free oxygen atom and 1 molecule of oxygen gas. O3, ozone, O1, atom, plus O2, oxygen gas. Ozone is valuable to us. But ozone layer is depleting day by day. We are ignoring the major effects of ozone layer depletion: chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, chemicals found mainly in spray, aerosols heavily used by industrialized nations for much of the past 50 years, are the primary culprits in ozone layer breakdown. When CFCs reach the upper atmosphere, they are exposed to ultraviolet rays, which causes them to break down into substances that include chlorine. The chlorine reacts with the oxygen atoms in ozone and rips apart the ozone molecule. Chlorine plus ozone, chlorine monoxide plus oxygen gas. This would not be a huge problem, except for one thing: chlorine monoxide will collide with free oxygen atoms. This oxygen atom will break apart the chlorine monoxide, and releasing the chlorine atom back into the stratosphere to damage more ozone. This reaction happens over and over again, allowing 1 chlorine atom to destroy many ozone molecules.